Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. In this session, we'll be talking about Azure Blueprints. Let's understand what is Azure Blueprints. Azure Blueprints is a declarative way to orchestrate the deployment of various resource templates and other artifacts, such as role assignments, policy assignments, Azure Resource Manager templates, resource groups. Adhering to security or compliance requirements, whether government or industry requirements, can be difficult and time-consuming. To help you with auditing, traceability, and compliance of your deployments, use Azure Blueprint artifacts and tools. Azure Blueprints enables cloud architects and central information technology groups to define a repeatable set of Azure resources that implements and adheres to an organization's standards, patterns, and requirements. Azure Blueprints makes it possible for development teams to rapidly build and deploy new environments with the trust they're building within organizational compliance using a set of built-in components, such as networking, to speed up development and delivery. The process of implementing Azure Blueprint consists of the following high-level steps. 1. Create an Azure Blueprint. 2. Assign the blueprint. 3. Track the blueprint assignments. With Azure Blueprint, the relationship between the blueprint definition, what should be deployed, and the blueprint assignment, what was deployed, is preserved. This connection supports improved deployment tracking and auditing. The Azure Blueprints service is backed by the globally distributed Azure Cosmos database. Blueprint objects are replicated to multiple Azure regions. This replication provides low latency, high availability, and consistent access to your blueprint objects, regardless of which region Blueprints deploys your resources to. The Azure Blueprints service is designed to help with the environment setup. This setup often consists of a set of resource groups, policies, role assignments, and resource manager template deployments. A blueprint is a package to bring each of these artifact types together and allow you to compose and version that package, including through a CI/CD pipeline. Ultimately, each setup is assigned to a subscription in a single operation that can be audited and tracked. Each blueprint can consist of 0 or more resource manager template artifacts. This support means that previous efforts to develop and maintain a library of resource manager templates are reusable in blueprints. A blueprint is a package or container for composing focus-specific sets of standards, patterns, and requirements related to the implementation of Azure Cloud Services, security, and design that can be reused to maintain consistency and compliance. Great! Now you learned about Azure Blueprints. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please download our Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store and subscribe. Hey! Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.